In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a business account on Revolut in Ireland. First, open your web browser and search for Revolut Business. This helps you land on the official site quickly and avoids any lookalike pages. Once you're on the Revolut Business page, click Create Account to begin. When prompted, select Ireland as your business country. This choice affects compliance checks, currencies, and the documents you'll be asked for, so make sure it reflects where your business is registered. Click Continue. Next, choose your legal business type, such as a sole trader, limited company, or partnership. Pick the option that matches your legal structure, not just how you operate day to day. Click Continue. Enter your email address and click Continue. Head to your inbox and authorize the login from Revolut so they know it's really you. Then return to the sign-up flow and enter your phone number. Make sure the correct country code is selected before you proceed, then click Continue. You'll receive a verification code by text. Enter that code to confirm your number. Create a strong password you'll remember, ideally unique to this account, and click Continue. Provide your date of birth and continue. Enter your residential address as it appears on your official documents, then continue. Accuracy here helps avoid delays later on. Search for your business legal name as it appears on the register and select it, then continue. You'll now be asked for business details, including your business's legal name, your company registration number, and the date of incorporation. Use the exact details from your registration documents to ensure a smooth review. Click Continue. Enter your business address, including the city and postcode. If your registered address differs from your trading address, follow the prompts accordingly, then continue. It's time to verify your identity. Click Continue and choose the type of ID you'll use, such as a passport, national ID, or driver's license, depending on what Revolut accepts. When prompted, start the video recording. Follow the on-screen instructions, hold your ID clearly within the frame, and keep your face well lit. A plain background and steady hands make this step faster and clearer. After you've submitted your verification, the review usually completes quickly. Once approved, you'll land on your Revolut Business dashboard. From here, you're ready to manage your business finances, set up your accounts, and explore the tools available to you. That's it. You've opened a Revolut Business account in Ireland from start to finish. Thanks for watching and good luck with your setup.